What's going on, people? Welcome to the brand new show, Rebuild-ish. This show and channel is all about rebuilding bad boy cars. So people, let me give you a little bit how I got into this. So for the past couple months, weirdly, I've just been watching loads of people rebuilding cars through YouTube. And it's just been, I don't know, it's just took my interest. I've always been a car person anyway. I've always had loads of cars. I've always been a car kid. Lately, rebuilding the cars has been in me. I've tried it a couple times though. When I think about it, back in the day, I've done little, you know what I mean, tried to change, but you know what I mean, tried to do up my cars little bits, nothing major. And unfortunately, I'll put a picture up in the, as we speak. I crashed my car last week, unfortunately. But it's like everything happens for a reason, because I crashed my car, they wrote it off, and they've given me a chance to buy it back. So it's the start of the channel. Let's go. The car I did crash, as you would have seen in the picture, was a TT. Nice. It was only a little crash, but nowadays the right cars are for nothing. I've been lucky so far. So I've got a friend who's been a good mechanic. He's been doing way more mechanic than me. He's going to be joining me and helping me out on this first rebuild. Luckily, I have found a lot of the things like of one guy. So we need a headlight, passenger side, we need a bumper, front grille, and a bonnet. And basically I found all of them except for the bonnet of one person, and the deal he's getting me is amazing. I'm getting it all for £450. Yes, £450. I was finding and one headlight was coming up for about £550, people. So we're off to a bang. We build it-ish, you know how we do. So right now I have found a bonnet, people. It's a white bonnet. It has got a bit of yellow on it for some weird reason. The car is white as you've seen, but what it is, I am planning to get the car colour changed anyway, so I'm not really bothered about the little yellow mark if you get on me, people. So I'm gonna phone him now, see if we can do a deal with it. If he wants to answer. The bonnet's gone, people. Hello, we rebuild-ish. People, this is not a good sign. I come back with one of them ones, and 200 hours later, yeah, people is not answering. So what we'll do, I'll give him a call back in a minute, and we'll come back to him. Yeah, you're alright. I'm just phoning up about the TT bonnet. Have you still got it? Is it still available? Okay. Is one thing. What is that yellow thing on the bonnet? What is it? What that like? Why is it yellow? Is it not like there's no dents on it? It's just the yellow bit. It just marks, yeah? Oh, it was marked where the damage was. So what's the damage on the bonnet? Okay, where are you based, brother? Dudley. Is it only collection only, or can it be delivered? Okay, I hear that. Okay, I'm going to give you a phone back, boss, and I'll let you know. Okay. Right. He didn't sound too like you wanted to sell it, did it, people? So, I'll show you an example. There's a yellow thing on the bonnet. I don't know why it's done that. It's said to show the damage. But why would you do that? I don't know. That must have been at the scrapyard or something. So, yeah, I think I'm going to keep on trying to look for bonnets. Because it don't actually matter if it is white, because like I said, we're going to change the colour. So keep on the journey. Yes, people, what's going on? Welcome back to Rebuild-ish. And as you know, we're in the middle of rebuilding the TT. Unfortunately, what I crashed. So yeah, right now we're on the way to Bradford to go and pick up some of the parts. Hopefully, people, fingers crossed, we can find a bonnet as well. We were able to bring it back in the car, but hopefully we need a bonnet as well. So the things that we need a bonnet, a passenger light, we need the front grille, the bumper slammer. What else? I think that's it for now, people. So far, that's all what we've seen. We're gonna strip it down a bit more, but for now, that looks like all what it's gonna need. That's gonna be the start of the rebuild. Cause this rebuild, people, we're totally changing the car. So it's white and whatever. Now, when you end up seeing what this car comes out to, it's gonna be a mazza. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, we're on the way to Bradford now to a scrapyard, I believe. I found it on Facebook, actually. I think I found this, brother. Either eBay or Facebook. When you're looking for parts, people, then to eBay's the main part. Anyone will tell you that. Scrapyards, blah, blah. And Facebook can be okay as well, people. So always check all them places. So yeah, we're on the way there. We're gonna get there, make sure all the stuff we're picking up is to our standards. And yeah, let's go, people. Let's get this build on the way. And if you don't know, we're just in the what would I call it? The family mobile. Needs a bit doing up as well, but yeah. We're on the roads, people. We're on the roads. Mate, you know how to do as well. Like, subscribe, share. This is a brand new car channel where we're going to be doing bare rebuilds. So we're going to have some amazing rebuilds on this channel, people. So the more support we get off you, the more cars we'll buy to rebuild, and the more content we'll have to give you. So, you know what I mean? So yeah, follow us on the journey. Let's go. Yeah, so we landed down. We're 2 minutes from the destination, people. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. If you're up north, yeah, Bradford seems like it's the spot for the dudes, yeah. Because everyone I have contacted or had something in Bradford, it's Mazza. So yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed, we can locate everything in Bradford. I know we've located 3 of the things, but there's 2 more. The bonnet and the bonnet slammer still needs to be located. So I'm hoping where we go to now,
30 mph speed limit, camera ahead.
Mike can either know somebody or got the parts. I can't remember if I did ask him about the bonnet. Can't remember if I asked him about that. But I know they've got the bumper, I know they've got the light, and I know they've got a grille. People, it's gonna be a long day. So a minute away. People, tell me what you would like to see me. What that's what I say. The time, don't listen to me. Cut that out anyway. I was about to say to him, oh, tell me what you want to see me do. The time you see it, we all done. Or no, I should release it as bits and bobs, innit? So yeah. No, I'm lying, people. I'm not going to release it all as one. We're going to release it as bits and bobs. So tell me what you would like me to do to the TT. What would you do? If that TT was yours and it's white as it is, tell me what you think would make that TT look crazy. Leave the comments, people. Hey there, so what's that? Is it here? That could have been it, you know. Saying it's on our right. I believe it's that.
The destination is on your right. BD8, 8JU.
Nah, I believe it's that. Let's phone them, people. Look where we come to. We definitely can't get it there, people. Let's phone the guy, people. And what we saved his name as? TT Parts Bradford.
Hello?
You alright, boss? I'm here. It's saying I'm here, but where? What is your place actually called? Hello?
Yeah, whereabouts are you?
I'm on the main road.
What car are you in?
I'm in a Merc's grey Merc. Is that you on the phone there with that white top?
Next to the one, yeah.
Yeah, I can see you, bro. 1 second. People, we'll be back. Ready this thing, guys?
Nice somewhere, man.
Yeah. Where are you?
Can you see this? No damage, you can't find that. Can't they? I'll show you.
Now let me put that on there. You know what I'm gonna do? That's what we're gonna do, people. We're gonna leave this decision to the mechanic. That is a
What
good
price?
ringer.
What price?
Momentarily.
Is it? What's your grill, mama?
We got the grill, man, and the thing. See if we can get card, or I'll have to find the cash point. Ross. Hello, you alright? Yeah, I just got a text off you. I can't remember what part. I might be a bumper. The ref number is 18 91 38 27. Yeah. Yeah. So what? That's how much the bonnet is, yeah? 6, 7. Yeah. The original copy.
What is this? Which company you coming from?
Which company use that again, sorry?
Who's speaking? Hello? What's going on? Where's Habib? Where's Habib? Yeah? Where is it? It's me, Sham, from A1. Hello? What's going on? It's me, Sham. How are you? I'm okay, thank you. Look after these boys, innit? For the bonnet, man. The new TT. What year is that TT?
67, isn't it?
67 plate, 17, 18. Facelift. Oh, God, I don't know.
I think he put it up for 670.
Yeah, what happens, isn't it? You
Good. Welcome to rebuild it. You gotta go down them stairs. Oh, she's like killing it. Non-stop, you know.
That's all the packing area over there. That's all we packed. You see?
Okay.
Yeah.
If you get orders, this is coming out as well.
That's the best part, yeah.
Proper.
Yeah. that's
Make sure your stuff don't get damaged. You don't want to be getting it and it's half damaged when you get your stuff. You get what I'm saying, people? Nah, these are on job.
Trust me.
These are not messing. So,
you are TikTok or your YouTube channel?
YouTube. Yeah, it's the top one.
What's the name of the channel?
Ish Rebuild. We'll
brand-
send what I do when we send out this first one. We've done this on the car. I'll send you like the link. You'll see we'll big you up in there and stuff, man. So my friends have been doing good on it. So I thought, you know what? Let me get on. Yeah, let's get cracked in. And then, unfortunately, I crashed my car. I thought, well, they might as well do it now. So yeah, we're just gonna do this car up, change it, get it wrapped, and then make it look totally different, make it look mad, amazing. So yeah, should be it's gonna be a good journey, man. Definitely. So yeah, but that's is that fixed then?
Good, yeah.
The grill fixed? Is this the grill here?
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's only that there. Nah, that's alright, man. Yeah. Got the grill, people. Grilled that. Come on, let's go and do it. Can you take card here?
I'm fine, not really. Is this way?
They back down them mad.
Yeah.
Put some seal on it on the back of it, yeah?
Yeah. Go on there, thank you.
Get these mad stairs, man.
Nah, them stairs are serious. Yo, you should see my breaking stairs in Barcelona to the studio, bro. No way, yo. The maddest stairs you got is like built 5, boom, 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 boom. Nah, it's crazy. People big up Steve from Barcelona. And guess what? Actually, he's not from Barcelona, he's from Tenerife. He's actually in England. Might have to get and check him out, people. So we got the light, we've got the grill. I don't know if I'm gonna buy this, people. I don't know because there is. It's getting wrapped, yeah? We know that. Obviously, we're getting the car wrapped, yeah? So, we're not really bothered about little scratches and things, you get what I'm saying? But, people, that's a minor. But, so what is it? Just that? What to do, people, because you get what I mean, it's gonna be wrapped, so you're not gonna see the colour of the car anyway. I just want to get the car put back together, and then we're gonna take it, reuse it, I'll be on the journey, we'll go and shout that company out. That'll be probably part 2 vlog or part 3 because that'll be near to the end. Decisions, people. We just got a quote from something I asked for last night, and I've been quoted £670. I can't remember what I asked for, people. It might be the bumper, but that's a bit too much.
The grill I'll do you 60 quid, bro. It's on for 80 pounds, 79. Okay.
Down here. Oh, look at the bottom. I remember when we used to have the club here, yo.
Eh?
We used to have the club over here.
Club were there.
Huh?
Club were there.
Yeah, it was there.
Dominic in it. Dominic Pinnock had the club.
Man went to some serious country boy raised there. You living? I put it all the way down here. Might as well just brought the shit to my house. Where's that bun? That's what snapped up on the bumper. They just that bit there.
Yeah.
Then it was still on. What's going on, people? So obviously,
Stand back a bit, fam.
Obviously, as you can tell, it's a different day from yesterday. So from yesterday, people, I'm not gonna lie, it's been a bit of a headache. So the slam panel, what I thought was just a minor little thing, has turned out to be bigger than I thought. People, I'm new to this. So basically, for the model of my car, it's like gold dust to find. Any model under 14, they're about 150. My model, I've only seen 2, and I had 2 much more things on it. One was for 900, the other one was for £500 people. So that is being too much right now. So what I'm trying to do is source a slam panel. And we're gonna go right now, we're gonna do some more checks. We're gonna check what's going on with the coolant, because when I did have the crash, coolant was leaking. So we're gonna see where the leak is, that sort out the coolant, get Sonny to do an oil change also, and just look a bit more at the car, people. So let's go.
Well, someone's behind you.
Really just dropping from there.
No, I don't think it's leaking. I think it's alright.
What do you think? It was just the
Yeah, I think it's just gone down, isn't it?
Why do you think it just come out? Just the junk of the car?
Look at the jump down, something like
So cool, show me what my man, what's the pack now, what he's saying fence?
no, this, what you see in this part here. And then that's a slam panel there. This part here is also slam panel.
So it's all this.
Yeah. You can normally get it together with the lights got already on. When the radiator already on it as well.
Yeah, but that radiator is alright, isn't it?
It's not leaking, well, that's what it is. The marks not coming out. Plus, what's up on it, the hinges.
So on the slam panel, it needs that bar on it as well.
Yeah, that's the part there.
Yeah, but that's what's bent, innit?
Yeah, that's what's back there. Aluminium bar.
So let me show you, I might have some with it. Because I can't find this bar nowhere. I can't find, not the bar, I can't find the whole pot. The only one I've seen so far is picking up for £500.
Yeah, they're expensive.
And you rub it. And that's without no radiator, nothing, that's just the actual bit of it and the bar. So it's this one. That slam panel there. So I need that film. Tell me if you got it, mate. Tell me if you got it.
Oh no, it's actually broken. Look. That's what's leaking. That's what's bust.
Okay.
So you don't really need a radiator, you just need that bit there, pipe. That bit there, so it comes off to there.
So is that where the coolants might have come
Yeah,
out
that's
from?
what's come out from there, yeah.
Okay.
Come out of there.
So what do we need there?
You just need this, it's like a Flange, small flange.
Should we just order that part
Yeah,
there
you can
anyway?
get that. You can get that one. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
Order that for me, please, if
Yeah,
you could,
I can
and
get
I'll
that
pay
one.
for that.
Yeah.
You see on this car, I remember I phoned you before I crashed it. I needed to get my oil change.
Yeah.
So it needs an oil change and a filter change.
Yeah. Once it's all done.
Yeah, once that takes out.
Yeah.
You got any coolant to put back in it though, for even when it's running and going over the road and shit?
Yeah.
Or is it gonna just come out because that's not on? So people, you found why the coolants come out.
Come back, go back
here,
a
I'll
bit.
show you. Come here now. You need to come straight. So this pipe has bust off this little bit down here, so that's where the coolant has come. It's not as worse as before. The radiator is actually okay, and that is very good because I found out the radiators were £500 and my heart was nearly going this morning. So really, we might have been saved people by filling Nottingham if he has got the slam panel for us. He said it's for an 18th plate. The only thing, he don't know if it was a petrol or diesel, but he said he don't think there should be anything different.
Yeah, should be the same.
Because it's the 18 plate, really, it's the plate of the... So I'm gonna go back now, phone him. Yeah, that's not too bad. Yeah, that's way better. I've got the light and that shit. I brought that yesterday, that's in the car.
Right, let me know then, yeah?
Yeah, respect. Because even that, I'm thinking, these bits and stuff, yeah, but that goes over to that could actually clip onto the new bonnet what we get, you know, because on the bottom of that bonnet what we was going to get in Bradford,
Yeah.
it had that bit of graze in it.
Yeah.
But this looks like it's a cover. What maybe could get put onto that one. Thank you, boss. What could get put onto that. So people, that could be a help as well. Obviously we need to take them out and to put on the thing. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie, from yesterday I was a bit stressed. Today I'm feeling a bit better. As we've just seen, that's not gonna be nothing big. It's just a quickly 30-40 pound piece. Put that bang on, get the coolants pipe back into that radiator. What it saved a lot of money, because the radiator would cost money, people. Couple little broken bits, but that's it. And if you can look, I don't know if you can see, it's just the bar has bent in. When it has been hit here, people, this bar here has bent. What is on the slam pack.
I can do it again.
So it's this bar here, people, if you can see down there. That is why we directly got us change the whole of this, the slam pack in it. And the slam pack also is what shuts your bonnet. So nowadays they're saying it's two. So back in the day you'd have one, like on the old model, it's probably just one latch. If you notice, there's two. So there's one there and one there. So there's two bonnet latches on that. What is very crazy, because normally most cars has got one bonnet latch. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
So yeah, people, we're gonna phone back Phil, we're gonna jump back in the car, we're gonna phone Phil now back in Nottingham, send him the video. Hopefully that part actually does work. Sorry for the noise, we're gonna get a mic soon outside, so you might hear a bit of noise. But yeah, we're finished, we're gonna jump in the car, let's go.